today's tarot card. The card that I pulled today is number 15 and it is Temptation. It is a black border card. And I want to see what it says. I just want to share it with you because I pull a card every day and it's fun. I like doing it for fun. So it's through this card, addictions and self-limiting behaviors are being addressed. This is a time when you or someone else in your life may be placing too much emphasis on the material, psychological world and its pleasures. Even though we're all born connected to the divine source, we have a tendency to pull away from what was once natural. When you become disconnected from spirit, the source that once nourished us, it's often replaced with a different supply or substitute. In other words, the connection is then forged with food, alcohol, nicotine, codependency to someone or even work. Hence the term workaholic. Many of us spend our lives trying to fill the void that was created when the link to the divine was broken. The temptation card is calling you to take a hard look at life and ask yourself, where in my life am I suffering from addictive behavior? Is there negative thinking or behavior that's causing that life force to step out of my soul? Are the people and relationships in my life giving me energy or are they draining it? Learn to embrace your fears and all of your doubts so that every situation in your life becomes a learning experience. Gaining the knowledge that the physical world teaches will help you transcend to a higher spiritual awareness. So, this is my card for today. Whatever it's saying, I'll have to evaluate inside. I always do that, it's like, okay, it's fun to do that, I like to, what's going on? What am I acknowledging? What am I seeing? It's just fun to pull a card. Have a little bit of fun and lightness in life. Always look for ways to make yourself a better person and to enjoy you more. I will see you in the next video. Until then, have a fantastic, joyous day. Bye.